welcome in this discussion the career after 10th standard, particularly in defense services examination. So we are focusing here that career after 10th standard to defense service examination. So there total we have to discuss about two examinations. The first, that is called as NDA, that is National Defense Academy Exam, and second, that is called as CDS, that is Combined Defense Services Examination. Now both of these examinations are conducted initially by UPSC. Now let us discuss step by step. So first I am discussing about NDA, that is National Defense Academy Examination. Here the first suggestion is there that after 10th standard, when you are joining junior college, that means 11th standard, try to select science stream, because science stream is important for this defense career. So if you are not having a tremendous head towards science or mathematics, then obviously switch. First thing that we have to determine, we have to take science as your mainstream. And in that science also, don't go for computer science or IT or something like that. Select all PCMB, that is physics, chemistry, biology and mathematics. Now, if NCC is available in your college, or by any means you can join NCC, then give preference to join NCC. This is we can say a boost to your career in defense service. So try to join NCC, that is important. Now vacations are there. In these vacations, particularly after 10th standard and 11th standard, when vacations are there. Now after 11th standard, that vacation you are not able to go outside to much extent. But after 10th standard, please try to go to treks. That is also with a well organized group trek. That is important, not randomly or individually. Join some institution and then join their trek, particularly youth hostel or something like that. Institutes are there, you can join that. Now when we are studying out this, we have to study step by step. So first thing, you have to select science stream if possible. Not, then we will discuss in later phase. But why science stream? Because when you are going for NDA, they are considering your marks in PCM. They are also considered in 12th standard. And then you are eligible for Air Force wing, Naval wing as well as military. But if you are not going for science stream, then obviously only military stream, army, that is available for you. Air Force and Naval stream is not available for you. And so my recommendation is there, as a career you have to select science stream if possible. Now NDA examination is carried out in 3 stages. The first stage, that is written examination. Second stage, that is SSB interview. And third stage, that is medical checkup. But what they recommend, that prior to preparation for this examination, first go for medical examination yourself. There are certain doctors, those who are carrying out this medical examination for defense services. You have to find out them and carry out proper medical examination through them, because if certain problems are there, then whatever your score in preliminary examination, that means written examination or in SSB interview, you are not eligible for NDA. So before preparation, it is first essential thing that you have to go for medical checkup. If that doctor says it's all right, you can proceed, then only proceed. Now what is the meaning that we have to proceed? The first thing, that carry out your study of 11th standard and 12th standard thoroughly. Obviously you are there in science stream, and I hope that English medium students are there, so no much problem is there for English. Why I am telling this? Because now I am focusing towards the nature of written test first. So paper is divided into 2 parts, that is paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 carries 300 marks mathematics. Paper 2 is having 600 marks, general study inclusive English. So it's very clear for you that paper 1 will have 300 marks mathematics, which is usually little bit higher level than 12th standard. That means you can consider that pure science FY BSc level mathematics. Up till that level we have to prepare for mathematics. Obviously all question paper, only objective style paper is there. So first mathematics is essential. Your score in mathematics is really important for this exam, and that's why I have given the first advice that as far as possible go for science, and if you are not there for science, if you are selecting your stream as art stream or commerce stream, then also select mathematics in 11th and 12th standard. Now out of 300 marks, whatever your score that is there in mathematics, now we are talking about 600 marks, that is paper 2, which is consisting of 200 marks English, and okay, this paper is also objective, and remaining 400 marks physics, chemistry, biology, history, national freedom struggle, geography, economics, political science and current affair inclusive of environmental science. So these all subjects we have to study. That means subjects from science stream, subjects from art stream, and economics is subject that is from commerce or art stream. So like that they are there in remaining 400 marks. Now what is the English? 200 mark English paper is there. Actually this is boost for English medium students, those who are studying out from nursery level or first standard playgroup, like that. Those who are in English medium, they don't have much of the problem in English paper, because maximum part of this paper is spotting the error, then synonyms, like that, some vocabulary like questions, and then certain grammar based questions, and then comprehension, where short passages and long passages. So comprehension skill. Those who are studying out from childhood in English medium, they don't have much of the problem. In fact, they are having benefit of these 200 marks. But those who are from vernacular medium, means non-English medium, they have little bit problem, little bit. But if you are thorough in grammar, I am recommending here one book, that is Wren and Martin. Spelling of Wren starts with W. So that Wren and Martin book, that is important. Study out that thoroughly, you will get very good idea about English grammar. And then remaining 400 marks, they have these all physics, chemistry, biology. That's you are there in 11th and 12th standard, you are studying out that, so no much problem. Then geography, history, national freedom struggle, like that subjects you have to study from other sources. So this is structure of paper, that is written examination. So total written examination is comprising of 900 marks. Out of these 900 marks from theory, whatever your score, they are assigning certain, we are saying that is as filter, and then they are setting out this cutoff. Above that cutoff, if your score is there, then you are selected for SSB interview. So in order to go to SSB interview, the first important task is there, that is you have to get select in written examination. Now SSB interview is not conducted by UPSC, only written examination is conducted by UPSC, whereas SSB interview they are calling you for 5 days interview process. This is not interview like that you are sitting in front of some people and giving interview. There they are giving you various tasks, various things are there on this YouTube channel. Just type out SSB interview, you will get variety of the techniques they are using for SSB. So where physical test is there, yes, but it is not something like that practically they are carrying out test. They are giving you some tasks, say 15 tasks are given, out of that you have to complete 10 tasks. They will see your approach, how you are going to complete the task. Then what is your group behavior? Do you have leadership qualities? Do you have positive approach? If some task is given to you, how you are accepting that task? like that various things you are under observation. Then personal interview is also there. Some psychometric analysis, they are also conducted out. And then if you are score out of 900, your score is considerable, then total they are considering that 900 marks from theory and 900 marks from SSB interview. And those who are toppers, they are getting selected for medical test. There is no criteria for SSB interview that because in UPSC this type of criteria is there that out of 3000 they must select 1000. So like that no criteria is here for SSB interview, only eligible candidates they are selecting out. Then the process is there that is called as medical. And those who are fit in that medical test, only they are selected whatever your score. There is no question that score is very good and medical you are not fit. Then also we can get selected, so no. So this is the process. But after that you are getting entry in National Defense Academy, where you have to complete your graduation study from that. And after that you have to appear for examination, that is CDS examination. So this is the first thing, because why we have to select through NDA. The thing is that you will get very good education, very good training, and the most important thing, after your successful completion of the course, you will get appointment in defense services as officer, not as a soldier. From officer level your development starts. So this is the career where we can work for nation to very great extent. And therefore my recommendation is there that those of you are having this characteristic that outdoor task, they are having very much affinity towards outdoor tasks, then they are having struggling attitude, or they can go to certain hardships like that, then obviously select this defense services as your career. So this is the first thing that you can, just after 10th standard you can get dream of this examination. Let me explain the other fact about NDA examination. What is the eligibility criteria for this NDA examination, and when these examinations are conducted? So for that purpose you have to visit the site, that is upsc.gov.in. Every year they are giving notification when these examinations are there and when to apply for this examination. Eligibility criteria, that your age should be between 16 to 19 and half at time of selection. Now everything we have to apply online, and so your birth date automatically comes there. Once you are having drop down, if they are pointing out here, say for example this year we want to select from 1990 onwards, so obviously if your birth date is prior to 90, that drop down option they are not keeping, and therefore you can apply easily without hesitation. Check your age eligibility. When these examinations you can appear, actually after 12th standard this is there, this is National Defense Academy. After 12th standard examination you are going to join that, but for that purpose examinations are conducted twice in year. So when you are there in 12th standard, when you are studying out in 12th standard, at that time also you can appear for this examination. So first chance you can take when you are there in 12th standard, particularly in September examinations are there, so you can appear for that. If selected, all right, but not selected, then just after your 12th standard examination in month of April they are having second examination in the year, so you can appear for that. Unless your age limit is there, you can appear for this type of examination. So this is the first important thing, that when you can appear for examination, what is the eligibility criteria. And the most important thing, only boys can appear for this examination. Girls are not supposed to join this way. So this is only for boys. And for more details, please visit this site upsc.gov.in. So how to study? Now how to study for this? This is the most important thing. The first thing, that we have classes at Savarkar Smarak, Shivaji Park, now it is name changed as Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Park, Savarkar Marg, Dadar West, Mumbai 24. So here you can come personally. Phone number is also given here, that is 9221849650, where you can join personally classes. If you don't want to join, if you are not staying here in Mumbai, then we have virtual classroom, that is video lectures available on YouTube. So please visit our this channel, that is either UPSC-Guru or Savarkar IAS Study Circle, where you will get all the lectures essential for this examination, particularly of paper 2 of NDA examination. For mathematics, ultimately you have to depend on your own preparation. There are certain books available in the market. Arihant publication book is there, McGraw-Hill publication book is there, then Spectrum books are there. So like that, various books are available for general studies. So that general study book you can purchase and find out syllabus from that, and like that start preparation. Exam practice is the most important thing, because objective style examination is there, and therefore you have to practice out more and more examination. That is important. So on this our channel, Savarkar IAS Study Circle and UPSC Guru, on both the channels we are preparing, we are giving you guidance, as well as mock tests are also conducted on this channel. So go through that test. Obviously after studying out, appear for test, and then answer sheets are also given, analysis of answer is also given. So this way you can subscribe our channel, find out latest updates on this channel. You will get all study at free of cost from this channel. So this is the way you can prepare for NDA theory, particularly paper 2. For paper 1, mathematics is there, obviously you have to join some classes, and the most important thing is that for SSB purpose, you have to carry out your physical fitness and observe certain videos on YouTube, or find out any proper military coach. They can guide you for this SSB interview. So thanks for observing this video.